Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to Genesis Manor, a housing development in Pepper, St. Elizabeth. Here you will find this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom house for sale that is on approximately 10,890 square feet of land. The property is beautifully landscaped with a brick driveway and spacious backyard for expansion. There is a front patio, electronic garage, water heater, water tank, well laid out kitchen, AC units, and much more. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 28 million or US $181,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.